All right, so today we are doing balloon 4th of July painting.
I don't know how to say that, but what the leaves?
4th of July.
4th of July?
Yeah.
Yeah, I learned how to do that.
So what are the colors we have over here? Can you pull the paint to you?
Oh, yeah.
What colors do we got?
The blue turned into pink.
That's okay.
Okay. Blue, white, and red.
Okay.
I don't want the blue to mix the white and the red.
That's
Can
okay.
we mix the paint?
Yes,
Oh,
of
there's
course.
a bug on my bike.
It's okay. It'll be all right. Can you dip your balloon in your paint and then put it on the paper?
Okay. Look at that.
Whoa. Cool. It sticks there.
Oh, I mixed it.
That's okay. So what colors? Red, white, and blue is found what? On what?
Let's see.
The flag.
The flag.
The flag. The U.S. flag. I gave you some stars that you can do.
Oh, that bug wants to join us, but that's a red bug. So I'm going to leave that alone.
It's okay.
Yeah. Gross. Yeah, the blue right there. Ah.
Very cool. Can you put the whole star in the paint? If you dip the whole star in there, you'll get a star. I like what you did, though. Yeah, like that.
Wow.
That is cool.
That's the U.S. flag. And look at that flag. I want to put some... blue one to put a U flag.
Oh.
Cool. Some more blue. Maybe I can put the whole one.
Yeah. That'd be really cool.
The U.S. flag!
The USA flag.
U.S. flag.
And now you can dip the whole one onto the thing, onto your paper.
What whole thing? Let's check out our blue.
You know what you can do? You can rub that in the paint over there and then put it onto the paper. It'll make like a firework. Now smash it onto the paper.
Okay. Smash!
Whoa!
Smash! Whoa! Can I smash it on the...
Yeah, but I want you to do it on your paper so we can keep it.
Can I smash it on...
You can do it.
Wow! It looks like a firework on the bench! Oh!
Mm-hmm. Can you do it again and put it on your paper? Because I love that print. Look at what you did.
Wow!
Beautiful.
What?
You want to do it with the red balloon?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, whoa! Ooh. Smash! Wow!
That is so cool.
Let's see what we put. Whoa! Whoa! Those are cool.
Okay, do you want to do the cookie cutters again?
I want to do my hands.
Okay, do your hands.
Squishy. Okay.
What color is that?
Blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Oh, oh, look at your hand. It's your handprint.
Smushy blue. Oh!
Oh, very cool.
Red. Oh, God. This rabbit all
What did it make?
purple.
Yeah, so blue and red mixed together makes purple.
And blue and red. Is that white?
Mm-hmm.
White and red makes all purple. Let's push it on the board.
Let's put it on the paper, baby, so we can keep it, okay?
Look at that.
I see you.
I have to wash my hands. Whoa, ow.
Can you write the number 4 on your paper
Oh,
with your finger?
is that
Good job!
Oh, smush, smush. I want to make another one. Look at the
Yeah, you should try to do the balloon print again.
Can
Here.
I put my hand?
Oh,
Oh,
whoa, it's slippery.
I need it. Oops. Throw it, Mommy.
Oh,
I don't want it.
okay.
Smushy. Can I put it on the purse now, please?
We'll do that later. I want you to put it on the paper so we can keep it.
On my face? My hands are purple. My hands are purple. My hands are purple. Guys,
Can you do a couple more prints?
guys. Whoa, whoa. Printy. I don't want to step on those with my feet.
Yeah. Can you tell everybody Happy 4th of July?
Happy 4th of July and bye. My hands are blue.